Hi guys, so today I'm coming at you with a get ready with me inspired by the 60s, if you could guess. If you know me, you know that my favorite show of all time is Mad Men, and sadly, horribly, tragically, they are taking Mad Men off Netflix June 10th. I don't understand why. It needs to be on another streaming platform for my well-being because I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I go to sleep to it every single night. Like, I watch it every day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But there are worse problems in the world. I get it. I'm just bitching about my show coming off Netflix, okay? But I wanted to recreate like a Megan Draper makeup look, and so that's what I did. If you want to watch me try to do this, this is my first time ever doing, like, I'm not that skilled when it comes to like eye looks like this, so this was a little bit challenging for me, but I really like how it turned out. So if you want to watch me do this, just keep watching. Okay, so I want to start with skin. I want to keep the skin pretty simple and focus on the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 5. This is really nice if you don't want a full coverage or like actual foundation. It's more of just like a filter. I feel like back in the 60s, they didn't focus as much on their base as much as we do now. I think that we just use so many products on our base. And I'm really living for like the skin breathing look, you know? I'm just sick of suffocating my skin with powders. I like that fresh look. Okay, so now that we have that on, that just gives us a nice like base. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna use this MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Painterly. I'm just gonna put that all over the eyes. I'm actually just gonna use my fingers to do this. As you can see on me, this shows up really light, which gives us the perfect base for this 60s vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna start by using this Vise Art palette. I'm gonna go in with this cream color. Okay, this looks nice, but I want it to be a little bit brighter. I'm gonna go in with the white shade from the Norvina palette. This is the, I forget which volume this is, maybe the first one? I'm not sure. But there is a really nice, I'm trying to hide the mirror because it has a giant mirror. There's a really nice white shade, and I'm gonna use that. Most of my brushes are dirty. I would normally use like a flat like packer brush, but I don't have one near me right now. And you know what? They did not have this in the 60s, and they were still doing these eye looks, so. Well, they probably had eyeshadow brushes, let's be real, but. Okay, so now that we got the white done, it took me a minute to blend out. I will have to say, I would recommend getting like a really good white eyeshadow and using a really good primer. The Painterly was okay, but I maybe would have used like a more hardcore eye primer just to get like that solid white, but I already think it looks really pretty. So now is the time for the scary part because you have to do eyeliner. I want to give like a tip on how to make this go well, but there's not really any tips. It's just you pray that it goes well. Like I'm praying that it goes well for me as well. Okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the, okay. First, I'm going to do the wing By the way, I don't know if I said this in the beginning, this is not a tutorial. This is me trying to do 60s makeup for the first time and I'm filming it, so yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Not so perfect. Okay, so now that we have that eyeliner complete, we're gonna go ahead and do another line on the top. Y'all, I'm scared. Because if I mess up, I'm gonna have to start all over again. Okay, wait, I need to look at like a photo. So in a lot of these photos, they just kind of did like another on top, like in the crease. I'm really scared, y'all, because I have weird shaped eyes when it comes to doing stuff like this, so it does not always work for me, but we're just gonna do it. You guys, I'm scared. All right. Okay, so as you can see, they are not perfectly even. This one stops a little bit sooner than this one, which I like because this is gonna raise my eyes up, but I'm like sweating bullets and I'm not gonna risk, like, I don't wanna keep messing with it because I don't wanna mess it up. I like how it looks so far, so I'm just gonna leave it. I was looking at pictures and I feel like they go a little bit more in. I'm just scared to do any more. Yeah, this eye is way better. Oh. See, I need to stop touching this eye. Shoot. Hold on. If y'all do makeup a lot, you know the struggle trying to like work with white and black. It can get very messy and sloppy looking, so I'm trying to use this liner to clean it up very carefully. So now that that is done, I'm gonna move on to lashes. I'm just going to use the individuals. I'm just gonna use short, I think, because I don't really want the lashes to take over the whole eye look. I want to be able to still see the eyes. So, just a suggestion, if you buy the trio, individual trios instead of the individuals, they're much easier to put on. Okay, and I advise putting on individual lashes before putting on mascara so you can kind of see where your natural lashes are lacking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of the lashes on and I'll be right back. I should have just filmed myself applying the lashes because it didn't even take me that long. Usually I didn't want to film it because in case it like took me forever. I didn't want you to sit through it, but I only put like a few on the corners. As I wait for those to dry, I'm going to do the rest of my face. So I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. This is shade 11, but right now this is just a little dark for me. I haven't been in the sun the past week, so I've lost a little bit of my tan. So I'm going to mix a little bit of the 06. I'm just going to scoop that. Scooped a little bit on the back of my hand. Now I'm just going to mix the two shades together. This stuff is super full coverage, so you don't need a lot. Mind you, I have not picked up any more product. I literally had like 2 dots on my fingers. This goes everywhere. So you don't really need foundation when you wear this stuff. I know it looks psycho right now, but I'm going to blend it. Okay, I'm just going to go back in with the white eyeshadow and touch up any of the areas that the concealer might have covered. Now I'm going to go into the waterline with the same white kohl pencil and do the white. I'm going to set my concealer with the It Cosmetics, I think it's called like Your Skin But Better. Yeah, Airbrush Perfecting Powder. I don't want to use a lot of powder, but this concealer creases if you don't set it. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. I'm just going to go in with this Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm just going to take this Glossier mascara. It's not as thick and like wet as the other mascara, so I'm going to use this on the bottom. I'm just going to go in with a little blush. I'm not going to do bronzer or anything because they didn't really wear that back then. So I'm just going to use this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Blush in Sweet Cheeks. I like how pink this blush is. Normally I wouldn't wear a pink blush like this, but I think with this look, it's perfect. For brows, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to use my clear brow gel. And then for lips, I'm going to do a nude lip, I believe. Like a pinky nude. I'm going to go in with MAC Boldly Bare lip liner. Fill that in. And then I'm going to go in with NARS Turkish Delight lip gloss. I'm actually going to go in and put on more mascara because at first I didn't want it to be a lot of mascara, but I kind of want that clumpy look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you liked watching me do this. I really enjoyed actually doing this. I love how it came out. I was a little nervous because I don't love myself with like this much eye makeup on, especially during quarantine. I haven't even seen myself with normal makeup on that much, so this is a lot, but I actually love it. And yeah, with a certain outfit, this would be bomb. It's a look for sure. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I want to keep continuing to make videos. I know I'm not very consistent, but I'm trying because this is actually really fun for me to do. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up or let me know if there's anything else you want to see. And yeah, thanks for watching.